Welcome to the easy guidance video on making online payment for completing presenceless document creation and submission. After the photograph and biometric details have been captured and printing has been completed, the final step is to make the online payment for the full stamp duty and all other applicable fees. Please note that part payment is not allowed for presenceless registration. The complete amount must be paid in a single payment process. To begin the payment process, go to Registration. Then select Document Registration and click My Documents. From the list of documents, select the required document for which the payment has to be made. Please verify the document details carefully before proceeding. Next, click the Pay button. When you click Pay, the system will redirect you to the e-payment screen. On the e-payment screen, first select the applicant type as either executant or claimant. Then select the applicant name from the populated list. The office name will be populated automatically based on the Sub-Registrar Office or SRO selected earlier on the supporting details screen. The address will also be populated automatically based on the party selected under applicant name. Please verify that the displayed address is correct. The application type, service type, and application number will also be populated automatically by the system. A table will now be displayed showing a detailed, headwise breakup of each fee. Please note that these fee amounts cannot be edited because this payment is for presenceless registration. Carefully verify all the fee details. After confirming that the information is correct, click the Submit button. When you click Submit, the system will create an application number and display it on the screen. To continue with the payment, choose Pay Now. After you click Pay Now, the next screen will display all the applicable fee details. Please review the total amount once again. Now select a payment mode. The available options are online and SBI Gateway. Under online payment, you can make payment through the internet banking facility of banks designated by the department. The SBI Gateway supports multiple payment modes, including SBI Net Banking, other banks' net banking, SBI debit cards, other bank debit cards, credit cards, UPI, and NEFT or RTGS. For this guidance video, we will select SBI Gateway. When you click SBI Gateway, an FAQ pop-up will appear. You may read the information provided in the pop-up and then close it to continue. After closing the FAQ pop-up, click Submit. The system will ask for confirmation before proceeding with the payment. Click Yes to continue. After you click Yes, the terms and conditions specified by the department will be displayed. You must review and accept these terms and conditions before making the payment. Select the checkbox labeled, I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Submit. The system will now redirect you to the SBI Merchant Payment page. On this page, select your preferred payment mode from the available options. In this example, we will complete the payment using UPI. Click the UPI option. The next screen will display the transaction ID and other payment details, including the headwise breakup of all fees. Check these details carefully. After verification, click the Confirm button. After you click Confirm, a UPI QR code will be displayed. Scan the QR code using a supported UPI application and complete the payment. Please do not close or refresh the browser while the transaction is being processed. Once the payment is completed successfully, a success message will appear. The system will redirect you to the TN Regi Net portal automatically within approximately 20 seconds. Please wait for the redirection to complete. On the TN Regi Net portal, you will see the payment success message, the bank reference number, the CIN, which means Challan Identification Number, and the transaction ID. Please verify and retain these details for future reference. You can download the payment acknowledgement receipt by clicking Generate Acknowledgement. On the following screen, click the Click Here link. The acknowledgement receipt will then be downloaded to your device. Please save the receipt safely for future reference. This completes the presence-less document creation and online submission process through the portal. After this step is completed, the submitted document will become visible to the selected sub-registrar office for further processing. Thank you for watching this easy guidance video.